In this tutorial, we're going to review the different metrics that are available to you on your dashboard. So one thing to realize is that you are viewing these statistics based on the fan page that you have selected. Okay. Now there is one segment of these metrics that applies to your entire account, meaning across all of your fan pages, and that is this statistic right here, the overall statistics for all fan pages. And what that's going to show you is your total subscriber count, your total unsubscribed count, your average open rate, and click-through rate across all of your fan pages. Okay. Now over here on the left, you're going to see that this is relating to the actual fan page that you have selected here. Okay. And that also goes for all other statistics and metrics that are on this page. So this graph right here relates to your particular fan page, and you can control it based on the data that is available. So if you're just joining us and you don't have many subscribers yet, you most likely won't be able to go back any further to a 3-month view or a 6-month view or even a 1-year view, because you just don't have data that dates back that far. Once you start to gather subscribers over time, then these particular date ranges will unlock, and you'll be able to then click them to view those times. So as you can see, you can kind of switch through and see which ones apply to you, okay, whatever view you would like to see. And you can roll over them to see specific dates and the subscriber counts on those particular dates. The next thing we have is your unique active conversations. Okay, so these are the basically a count of conversations that you've started, or that users have started with you, or visitors that have started with you through Messenger. Okay, so you'll be able to then roll over and see the dates and the corresponding number of conversations that you had that particular day. And again, the date ranges work the same on this graph as well. So you can toggle through those to see whichever statistics you'd like to see in whichever date ranges. Your messages sent. This is specific to Segmate. So this is how many bots basically you have sent through Segmate using, again, that relates to the fan page that you've selected. And of course, if you don't have very many messages sent yet, the date ranges will unlock as time goes on and you begin to send more messages. Okay. Now, we also have our reported conversations and blocked conversations. Okay, so this gives you a little bit of insight as to how people are really reacting to you. Okay, and we always want to show some positives, but we also want to show you some negatives just to make sure, that there's something you may need to do to kind of change up your messaging to try to keep these statistics down. But it's important that these are available to you. Now, these here in the date range are for all time, as it's noted right here. The reported and blocked conversations are the date range of all time. So in all time, these are how many people have blocked the conversation, and here's how many times you've been reported. Now, we also have our different types of reported conversations: spam, inappropriate, and then there's an other. Now, Facebook doesn't give us much insight into what any reasonings why these were flagged or reported as such, but hopefully in the future they're going to open up some more insights for us to get some more and gather some more data. So right now you're just going to get a total count to get a good idea of how people are reacting to your bot marketing on this particular fan page. Now, what we also have is a couple things in here, just to give you a little snapshot of any upcoming broadcasts. The broadcasts are what is we call our cast engage, and you can go ahead and view that calendar here by clicking this link, but it'll basically show you the next 3 upcoming broadcasts that you have scheduled. What we have over here are our best performing bots for this particular fan page. Okay, this will show you the top 3 performing bots that you have in this particular fan page. Okay, so it'll give you the bot name, and it'll also give you the open rate and the click-through rate of that particular bot. Now, you can view all of your bots and view all of the click-through rates and open rates for every bot you've ever sent by visiting the chat engage area, or you can simply click here and it'll take you right over to it. Now, what we also have, and this is not really so much related to bot marketing, but it's more so your fan page, okay, where many of these statistics all really rely on bots that you've sent. This here is just strictly your fan page reviews that you've had. And we're going to show you the average rating, the text, if there was any review text, the actual user who submitted that feedback, and that will also be clickable when that user shows up here, and it'll take you over to their profile. So you can kind of see and check out who it was that left you that review. And of course, it will will also give you the review date. And you can sort these by the columns just by simply clicking the column names. Now, we'll also show you the average rating that you have right here once you begin to collect page reviews. So again, remember that this particular statistic or these particular reviews may not have spawned from a bot that you've sent. It could be that you just have positive feedback because you have great articles or you have great posts. It may have nothing to do with actual bot marketing, but it is important to see an overall snapshot of the entire fan page. Okay? Now, again, it's important to understand that these statistics, about the majority of these statistics, are all related to what fan page you have selected here. This is the only statistic right here that relates to all of your fan pages. Now, if you have any questions, you can always reach us at support@segmateapp.com.